Jean and Krissi here on Miss A Made That, and today we're here with a new self-care tool. They are facial cups, silicone facial cups, and so this is for facial cupping. We're offering them in 3 different sizes. This is the micro cups, and this is for around the eye and lip area.
This one is the facial cup for your face. So this can go all over like the major areas of your face, your forehead, your jawline, everything like that. And then we have the larger full body cup. So this can go all around your neck, your arms, your chest,
shoulders,
yeah, anywhere that you have like lymphatic areas or also like sore muscles. This is really good for those as well.
For the body.
Yeah.
So you're probably like, okay, what's facial cupping, right? So facial cupping, so these are made out of silicone. So they're like little suction cups. And so what, we'll show you the motions that you'll use these for, but what it does is it helps with blood circulation, it helps with lymphatic drainage, and it also helps with depuffing and also fine lines and wrinkles around your face area. So how do you use facial cupping? So first, on clean face, you need something to make this slide and glide, because you don't want to, damage your skin. So it has to slide on really, smoothly. So in order to do that, you can use either a facial oil that you have or any kind of carrier oil that you like. So avocado oil, coconut oil, rosehip oil. So any of those really thicker carrier oils, they're really good for the skin anyway. So you can use an oil, or you can use our new cleansing balm, because it's super smooth, it's super just kind of like rich and oily in a way before you rinse it off. So this is also a really good option. Or you can just use a heavy moisturizer or serum as well. So you want to just layer it on really thick though, so that like when you touch your skin, you're like, ooh, it's slippery.
Yeah.
So get it to that stage. So you're gonna put that all on your face, and then I'll demonstrate the little micro ones first. So they're silicone and they're super soft, and they, squish down like this. So basically you're gonna squeeze it and then press it to your skin, and then it's stuck. It gets stuck, right? So you're gonna start it at a point under your eyes, suction, and then as it's suctioning, you're gonna glide it up all the way to your temple and then out your hairline. So you're gonna repeat this step all around your eyes, and then you can also go around in little circles here just to give it an extra massage. So keep doing that. And then also you can go around the brows, and this kind of lifts up all that like skin that's above the brows.
Yeah.
And then also you can do it around your lip area. So for the kind of like fine lines, or like the more frown lines,
like smile lines,
frown lines. So you can use them for that too. So you're gonna you want to go in an outwards and upward motion, because you never want to like drag your skin down. Yeah. So around the eyes, it's always up, and then the same thing here. You can start from the lips and then just go up, and then also around these lines too. You're gonna suction. So like you just suction, and then you're gonna go up, and then just gently lift away. And make sure that, so it doesn't damage your skin at all, as long as you have some kind of barrier down first on your skin. We have the big one. So this, it's like a really good size, like it's pretty it's big, like
it's perfect for your face. Like
like on Krissi, like see, it's like that, right? So this thing, once you have it emulsified, you're gonna start, and then so you usually start from the center of your face, and then you go out all the way to the hairline. So from the center and then all the way out, and then you're just gonna lift your whole face with this, and always drain it out towards the hairline. Like you don't want to go inside, and you don't want to like put it here and then just like lift it from there. So you want to glide it all the way off. So that's for the facial one.
Then for the body one, again, you want to make sure that your skin is lubricated in some way. So any moisturizer really will work for this.
Body oil is really good.
Yeah. So it's sort of the same concept. You want to just stick it onto your skin and then drag up and pull out.
So it's really good for like the arms, like, because I know there's like lymphatic drainage like down here, so every time, so it's kind of similar to body brushing too. So you kind of do it in circles, and then you drain it out to the lymphatic drainage, and we'll put in kind of a guideline and chart at the end of the video, so you can follow those steps. But so you always just start at one point, and then you'll go all the way down to there. And then I know a lot of people do it on their back, so you can't do it on yourself. So if you have a friend or somebody who can help you, then you can also use it for your back as well. So, and then also your legs too. Like Krissi said, like it's good for like just like firming and lifting and like anti-cellulite prevention. So on the back of your leg, so you'll suction it to the back and then just kind of pull it out. So that's for the body one. These are all part of the reuse collection because they're all reusable. After you're done, all you need to do is just rinse with a gentle cleanser and warm water, let it dry, and then it's ready to use for your next time. And it's usually, you can use it anywhere between 1 to 2 times a week, just to make sure that your blood is always circulating and you have really good massages going on all the time. So make sure you take some time to do some self-care.
Yeah, take care of yourself. It's been such a stressful 2 years. So use these tools to really like focus on yourself and making sure that you're happy and healthy and also just relaxed. Like, this just feels great.
And it's not hard to do because like some devices, it's like so much work just to even like get it out and just like plug it in and like do things, but these are just so easy. You just
anyone can do it. Like it's great.
We'll see you guys in the next episode of Midday Made That.
Bye.